So remember I told you that this glass comes with two extra lenses. This is this one here is a dark lens. This one is for sun. When you're working under the sun, I don't want the sun to enter your eye. Use this one. And then this one is brownish. Yeah, something brownish. This one they say you can use it when you're going to the beach. But I'm not trying it before. Why this one here? This one is for blocking blue light from people using the phone. You're using a phone, or you are always on a laptop. This one will block the blue light from entering your eyes. However, I spend most of my time outside under the sun, so I prefer to use this black one. Alright, so I want to change it. I want to change the lenses. So let me show you how to change the lenses. So let me do it here. So first of all, you come here, see this, as if you want to open it, then okay, I've removed one. So let me remove the second one. Okay, so I removed the white one and then sorry, the gray one, and I want to replace it with this dark one. This is one I'm using most. So you have to open it. Open it. This is it. So let me start replacing it from the inside. Okay. Okay. All right. So you can see it. One don't enter. Remember the second one. One don't enter. So let me put the second one. That's cute. I've changed the screen. The screen of the glass. This one is a dark shade. This one prevents sun from entering your eye. So you have to do just to clean it. There's this fiber that it comes with. Let me see. Okay, this is the fiber you can use to clean the glasses to make it sharp. So I've got it. So this is it. I use this to wipe the screen so that there won't be dirty. So as you can see, I'm good to go. So tell me, how do I look? So let me on it and maybe you'll see. Yeah, it's on now. This okay. This here on the right is the camera, while this is the light. So let's see if this light will show. Let me try to snap. When I press one, let me see the lights. So that's I've snapped, and if I want to record, I press twice. 1, 2. Right now I'm recording. So that's how to change the screen of your glass. In the subsequent video, I'm going to show you how this glass works, how you can use it to record video, how you can use it to listen to music, snap pictures, and do a lot of things. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Dear friend, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this wonderful video, I need you to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss my subsequent videos. One more thing, go to the comment section, let me know your feel about this video, and finally share this video with whoever you think might find it interesting. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.